Kirchhoff's first law. This is also called as current law. Kirchhoff's first law, that also called as current law, that also called as junction theorem. Look here, Kirchhoff's first law. This is called as current law. This is called as junction theorem. Junction theorem. Look here. Actually, this is the junction. Junction is called meeting point. Meeting point. The best example is Secunderabad railway station is a junction. Delhi nunchi odattadi, Warangal nunchi odattadi, all are meeting point. Junction is nothing but the meeting point. Look here now. This is current flowing I1. Current flowing I2. This is I3. This is I4. Okay? This is called what, Nana? Junction. Here, Nana, look here. Junction means current flowing into the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. Once again, what is the Kirchhoff's first law? This is also called as current law. This is also called as junction theorem. Look here. Sum of the currents flowing into the junction equal to sum of the currents flowing out of the junction. Simply writing as I1 plus I2 equal to I3 plus I4. Okay, once again repeat. What is the Kirchhoff's first law? Is given. Find current. We apply Kirchhoff's first law. Kirchhoff's first law. For example, this is the junction. Nana, what is the Kirchhoff's first law? Current flowing into the junction. Into the junction. 10 to inward. 1 I outward. What is the Kirchhoff's first law? Current flowing into the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. Nana, inward 10 plus 2. Outward I plus 1. I1. Here 10 plus 2, 12. Plus 1 other side minus 1. 12 minus 1, 11. This is the Kirchhoff's first law. For example, this is the junction. According to junction, current flowing into the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. In the diagram, what is the inward? This is the junction, meeting point. Inward, inward, inward. This is outward. Outward currents equal to sum of the inward currents. Inward currents is 12, 5, 3, 12 plus 5, 17, plus 3, 20. I equal to 20. Look here. Look here. This is another problem. Then here, look here. Find I value. All our currents are given. We apply Kirchhoff first law. Sum of the currents flowing into the junction equal to current flowing out of the junction. Here, both are into. That means add ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 3 amperes వస్తుంది. 1 plus 2 3. Here it 3 becomes 1 out, remaining will be what? 2a. This is 3a, 1 out, remaining is 2a. Okay, here in the point 2 inward equal to outward. Inward current 2 plus 2 4. Simply I value becomes 4 ampere. Other name closed loop theorem. Kirchhoff second law, ORR, voltage law, ORR, closed loop theorem. What is the Kirchhoff second law? Look here now. Kirchhoff second law, ORR, voltage law, ORR, closed loop theorem. Look here now. For example, I take closed loop. What is the meaning of closed loop? Closed loop means simply this is the starting, this is also ending. Simply call as starting, ending same. This loop is called closed loop. Once again I repeat. Ekkada start ayyam? A. Ekkada end ayyam? A. Starting, ending same. This loop is called closed loop. In the closed loop, all EMFs, all PDs, once again I repeat, sum of all EMFs, its meaning is all EMFs, all PDs equal to what? 0. What is the Kirchhoff second law? Sum of all EMFs, all PDs equal to 0 in a closed loop. When Kirchhoff second law is applicable, the loop is compulsory closed loop. We apply Kirchhoff second law. What is the Kirchhoff second law? Other name voltage law. Other name closed loop theorem. What is the theorem? Sum of the all PDs, all EMFs equal to 0. PD means potential difference. According to Ohm's law, potential difference means V equal to IR. Using Kirchhoff second law, we solve problems to follow some sign conventions. Simple ga mana language lo konni సాంప్రదాయాలు ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. Kirchhoff second law apply చేసేటప్పుడు must be follow these rules. The first rule, look here now. This is the look here. This is the battery here battery discharge. Battery ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? Discharge. Current out వస్తుంటే దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అంటే బ్యాటరీ ఏమైనట్టునా? డిశ్చార్జ్. బ్యాటరీ డిశ్చార్జ్ అంటే EMF taken as, EMF means electromotive force, taken as positive. Once again repeat. Battery discharge. Discharge ante EMF taken as positive. That means plus E. Look here. Here battery charging. Look here now. Here battery charging. EMF taken as negative. Battery discharge, EMF taken as positive. Battery charging, EMF taken as negative. Once again I repeat. Battery discharge, EMF taken as positive. Battery charging, EMF taken as negative. Okay? Third rule, Nana. These two rules first write. We move A to B. That means path I take path direction A to B. Suppose current direction also A to B. Look here. We take the path. Here, look here. This is the path direction. In the diagram, this is the current direction. Both are in same direction. In the situation, potential difference taken as negative. Mallika, nu venadi right. This is the direction of path A to B. This is the direction of current A to B. Both are in same direction. That potential difference taken as negative. Potential difference taken as negative. Negative means minus IR. Okay? IR. Ohm's law. Look here. Again. Current direction A to B. Path taken B to A. In the diagram, direction of path B to A, current in the A to B. Both are in opposite direction. In this situation, potential difference taken as positive. Positive means plus IR. Look here, Nana. This is the closed loop or open loop? Closed loop. I take closed loop, Nana. The closed loop name is A, C, B, A. Look here, Nana. A, C, B, A. This is the closed loop, Nana. In the closed loop, what is the Kirchhoff second law? All EMFs, all PDs equal to 0. Okay? Nana, then this is path A to C, C to B, B to A. Finally equal to other name voltage law, other name closed loop theorem. Okay? Nana, look here, Nana. The sum of all EMFs, all PDs equal to 0. Okay, Nana? Look here, Nana. Nana, according to this situation, first I can start A to C. A to C. Okay? Move the path name A to C. Current direction also A to C. Both are in same direction. That PD taken as negative. Same direction as negative. Formula minus IR. I value 1. R value 3. 1 into 3 IR. Next one. Here according to battery, this battery is charged. This battery is charged. Charge means EMF taken as negative, -10. Okay, na? Look here now. Next, Nana, look here. Again, it moves C to B, C to B. In the situation, this is the battery, Nana. This battery discharge. Discharge EMF is positive, Nana. That battery EMF is given 5 volts. Look here. Nana, here. Battery discharge. Discharge EMF is positive, +5. Again, we move C to B. C to B. Current direction also C to B. Both are in same direction. That potential difference taken as negative. Minus. What is the I value? 1. Resistance value 6. Okay. Next we move B to A. B to A. B to A. Path name B to A. Current direction also B to A. Nana, both are in same direction. That PD taken as negative. Minus 1 into 4. Okay, IR. Here battery is discharged. That EMF is positive. EMF is positive. All EMFs, all PDs in the closed loop equal to 0. Finally, we get -3, -10, +5, -6, -4, -10, plus E equal to 0. -30, -10, -23, +5 equal to E. E equal to -18 volt. కానీ ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారో లేదో, కరెంట్ ఎంత ఫ్లో అవుతుంది? 1 ఆంపియర్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో. దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ 100% క్లోజ్డ్ లూప్. అదేంటి సార్ అంటే, ఇన్ ద ఓపెన్ లూప్ నో కరెంట్ ఫ్లో. ఇన్ ద క్లోజ్డ్ లూప్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో. ఇన్ ద క్లోజ్డ్ లూప్ కరెంట్ ఫ్లో. ఓకే నాన్న? నాన్న లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న. ఎక్సలెంట్ నాన్న. Nana, look here. Here, this is the closed loop, Nana. This loop moves, for example, A to B. In the situation, all EMFs, all PDs equal to 0. Look here. Here, look here. Here plus. This is called charging. Battery charging. The EMF taken as negative, -2 volts. Okay, look here. Current flows A to B. Path also A to B. Both are in same direction. That PD taken as negative, -IR. 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Next, Nana, this is the battery, Nana. This battery discharge, Nana. Discharge means EMF is positive. Okay, +5. Again, it moves A to B. Path A to B. Current direction also A to B. This PD taken as negative, -IR. 1 into 1, 1. Finally, all EMFs, all PDs equal to 0. Okay na? Look here na. అసలు అడిగింది ఏంటి? Find potential difference between VA and VB. VA minus VB. Once again I repeat. Look here. Same I write. What is the question? Find potential difference between A and B. Simply VA minus VB can be determined. ఇక స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. all EMFs, all PDs equal to 0. In the situation, this is charging battery. EMF taken as negative, minus 2 volts. Path A to B, current also A to B. Both are in same direction. This PD taken as negative. PD minus IR, 1 into 2, 2. Okay? Here battery discharge. EMF taken as positive. Next again. Here, path A to B, current also A to B. This PD taken as negative, 1 into 1, 1. Finally, VA minus VB. Look here, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 5, plus 5 equal to 0. Both are cancelled. Finally, we get VA minus VB becomes 0 volts.